Hey, we just got back from 2 a.m.
2 p.m. Sorry, 2 p.m. concert.
How was it, Amelia?
Yeah, rock. 2 p.m. rock. 2 p.m. rock. 2 p.m. rock. Oh my god, I can't believe. Oh my god.
No, and that isn't even the best part yet. Wait. Where's the photos?
The photo is on the there. It's there.
Oh.
That's the best part.
And here is the best part. We had a photo with Nichan! And a photo with Shirin!
And with her mom.
And oh wait, this is just Amelia with Nichan and the mom!
Yes!
Can you believe it?
I can't believe it.
We are all sweaty and wet, but we don't fucking care! And look at all the things we bought. My fan, Amelia's hat, her Polaroid, Amelia's thingy, my CD. I was hoping to get it signed, but yeah. Amelia's thingy, Amelia's big binoculars, my Squash poster! Oh no!
Sorry.
Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh yeah. Binoculars I bought, no use one. Phone pouch! And the light stick that actually kind of looks like a vibrator.
What?
It looks like a vibrator, doesn't it?
Oh my god, I just can't believe it.
And shirt. Wait for it. Woo. Shirt. And they got this little cut thingy that's lost somewhere there. Never mind. Anyways, so yeah, that's it. We're still hyped. I almost touched Taekyon, but I was pushed down. Never mind. Okay, so wait, I'll take another vlog later.